Hey, so I wanted to make a tutorial about these Petal-shine scarves because they are so notoriously hard to photograph, and I figured that if I make a tutorial I can show you a little bit more of like the shine on them, because they're basically Petalsoft scarves with like gold in them, like gold sparkle, and they're really like, basically our Petalsoft scarves are famous for a reason, and these are a slightly more dressed up version of them. So just, they're so special, but especially this color that I'm putting on my head right now, like the gold does not show up when we take photos of it. I'm trying all these different ways and looking up all these different ways, but sometimes a tutorial is just better. So I haven't figured out, how should I wrap it? Maybe I'll do like a braid or something? Yeah, let's do a braid with all the tails up. So there you go. I'm loving this combo. It's not like a combo that I would think to put together, but I'm liking it so far. Okay. Take that, make it even. And then move this in here, and bring the braid up and around the side. And a nice loose braid, not too long. Down dress. There we go. You don't need to fasten the ends because I'm going to tuck them underneath. There we go. Perfect length around that. And then put on these tails. I'll grab a mirror and work on those and ends of a signal, but for now, there we go. Petal-shine scarves. Oh, and last but not least, I am going to put the cherry blossom pin in.